Hey everybody, today we're going to try Pejoy Mixed Berry. It says Mixed Berry Cream Filled Biscuit Sticks by Glico. I don't know. That's how Anyway, here's a depiction of the biscuit, or the cookie. And here's the pouring of the mixed berry cream in the middle. There's the side. There's the top. There's the other side. There's the bottom. And here's the back with the nutrition facts, and we'll go with those. It says, serving size 1 box. Servings per container 1. Calories 290. Calories from fat 120. Total fat 13 grams. Saturated fat 10 grams. Trans fat 0 grams. Cholesterol less than 5 milligrams. Sodium 190 milligrams. Total carbohydrate 38 grams. Dietary fiber less than 1 gram, sugars 18 grams, protein 4 grams, and the traditional 4 vitamins and minerals of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and iron. Once again, Pejoy Mixed Berry. Alright, let's open it up, and hopefully we get something decent in the try. So here we go. Yep, there is the Glico Pejoy logo, berries, in a kind of a, what would you call that, a berry color. And here's the back of it. Nothing special. Let's go in here and open it up. And there we go. We have our standard Pejoy biscuit. That's the end of it right there. And there's the other end. It smells like berries. It almost smells like some kind of cereal. Perhaps I forget like crunch berry or something like that. But here, let's go in for that bite. Okay. Still. Sorry. Caught me off guard. It still tastes like Nestle Quick, with a slight berry taste. It's good. It's very good. But once again, this is basically kind of like a Nestle Quick berry flavor. And there's a cross section right there if you can see it. I know my light box is powering down, but that's what it looks like on the interior, if you can see it. Alright. Put them back there. And Glico Pejoy Mixed Berry, I'm going to give you a thumbs up, just on the basis of the flavor. Here it is the afternoon, and it really kind of hit that spot for something sweet. That's awesome. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.